Welcome to the journey of the 25 most exciting destinations to visit in 2024. 2024 is just around the corner, and a new spirit of traveling is coming with it. As well as there is nothing quite like having at least one great holiday for the year. The world is full of joy-inducing and awe-inspiring destinations, where outstanding natural creations and human ingenuity perfectly combine with amazing cultures. We are sure there are plenty of destinations on your wish list, from world-renowned landmarks, iconic cities, exotic lands, and cultural splendors